Installing a processor. Hold both sides of the processor and align the small notches on the processor with the tabs on the socket and the small triangle of the processor with the beveled corner on the socket. Lower the processor into the socket. Close the processor retainer and then push the handle to the locked position. Use a syringe to apply 4 uniformly spaced dots of thermal grease to the top of the processor. Each dot should contain about 0.1 milliliters of thermal grease. Install the heatsink and fan module. Install the server cover.